case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a reversal, a higher court ruled in favor of an employee's defamation and emotional distress claims against her former employer and colleagues, reopening aspects of a previously dismissed lawsuit it now deems may hold merit. Originally lodged by Burnetta Kelly, allegations included wrongful discharge, malicious prosecution, false arrest, defamation, and emotional distress against West Cash and Carry Building Materials Store and select staff members. While the lower court swept away her arguments, an appeals court partially overturned this, stating that the trial court might have blundered in applying the qualified privilege standard and failing to recognize key issues of fact presented in Kelly's appeal. Under scrutiny in the appeal were matters of false imprisonment and infliction of emotional distress. The outcome of the case hinged on if Kelly could establish that she had faced total restraint leading to false imprisonment. The higher court, however, agreed with the lower court's judgment that constraints resulting from an employer-employee relationship were legitimate, and an arrest executed by the police, not the employer, could not be classified as false imprisonment. Despite Kelly's unfavorable ruling in these areas, the court shifted its perspective on the defamation charges she levied against her co-workers. The court observed that certain communications, even potentially defamatory ones, were protected by qualified privilege if executed in good faith, and concerning subject matters of legitimate interest. However, the privilege was not universal. It did not extend to cover all intra-office discussions and depended heavily on each defendant's communicated intent. In fact, good faith reports of alleged criminal activities were safeguarded by this privilege. The court favored the defendants in adjudications concerning their communications with state unemployment agency and the company's legal counsel, indicating they were availing the qualified privilege in these cases. Unable to substantiate her claims, Kelly's charges that Marcia Jimenez has stirred false allegations against her could not be upheld, nor could this same colleague and another, Jill Forcade, be implicated in defamation charges outside the work arena. While the lower court's decisions were endorsed concerning most defendants, it took an unexpected turn when the court considered Kelly's defamation claim against Jill Forcade and the XYZ Insurance Company. Believing the lower court failed to correctly address this issue, the court reversed the prior decision and sent it back, implying that the potential for defamation still existed and merited further examination.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.